Newton's first law stations. We're going to start at station 1. We'll go through all of the stations. I will simply do the demonstrations. You write down what you see. So here's our water bottle. Here's our paper towel. And wow, that was pretty cool. We are now doing station number 2. Here is the cup and the index card. And the washer. I hope the washer will be large enough so you can see what happens. So now I'm just going to flick the index card and we watch and see what happens. And there we go. There's the washer in the cup. All right, now we're at station 3. Here is our cart. Here is our doll. It's a cute little bunny. Look at the cute little bunny. Has only one ear. A student pulled one of the ears off a few years ago, and it's kind of got an injury down there. You can see that's been sewed up. So here's our bunny on the cart, and I am gonna smash the cart. The cart's gonna hit the wall, and then we watch and see what happens to this poor little bunny. Ooh, that bunny did a face plant on the wall and then fell off the cliff. Now let's look at the bunny, who's a safe bunny and has a seat belt. So the seat belt is just a lap belt. So watch what happens to the upper body when this doll hits the wall. All right, I'm going to do that again so that we might be able to see it a little better. Okay, there was station number 3. And you can see that this doll stays put and does not do a face plant. But it was interesting that the upper body went like that. That's why you have shoulder harnesses. The shoulder harness keeps the upper body from smashing forward in a car accident. Station 4. It's supposed to be what? A washer? I'm going to use a 1 kilogram mass so you can see what's going on. And I put it on my elbow like this. And then I grab it out of midair. That, again, was truly exciting. Station 5. Here's our big old cup there. There's a pie pan. And then on top we do film canister and we do a pool ball. So this sometimes does not work. I will do my best and we may have to do this a couple times. Missed. We'll try it again. I'm going to make sure it's a little bit more centered this time. You can see that the pie pan has taken a beating over the years. Try it again. Bingo! There we go. There is the ball inside of the cup. That was pretty cool. And now we have station 6. Here's our cart. For some reason it's labeled B, I, and G. I've got no idea what those letters stand for and why B, I, and G were chosen. And I've been doing this lab for a long time. So I put this ball right there. And I want it to stay, but that is not a flat spot. I'm going to give this thing a smack. Your job is to compare the tape and the ball, their position. And just watch what happens when I give this thing a good smack. So here we go. And now with this one, trial 2. Again, we are looking at this ball in relation to the tape. And I'm going to give the cart a smack. And we just see what happens when I give it a smack and we have it set up like this. Now, you should predict where you think. Actually, just watch. I'm going to predict. No, I'm not going to predict. I won't give you any information quite yet. That's not quite lined up, is it? There. Now it is right over the yellow tape. So here we go. That was pretty cool. Stayed right over the yellow tape and almost landed on it. All right. We are done with station 6. We're done with all the stations. Time for me to clean up this big old mess.